guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great as always and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys 10 easy and simple ways to stay productive at home, to stay fresh at home. So if you are anyone who really wants to be productive at home and is not able to do it, then you can watch this video and you will know how to do that. And it's very simple. You don't have to go out for this. You can just do it at home, and there are very simple and easy ways. So let's get into the video. So the first thing is to have a consistent sleep schedule. So now by this I don't mean to sleeping at 3 every day and waking up at 12. No, that's not what I mean. I mean is to sleep early and wake up early. Now what I do is I wake up every day, I sleep every day at 11 and then wake up at 6:30 for my classes. So for a few days I had a sort of vacation, so I used to sleep at 3, 4 and then wake up at 12, and it did not make me feel productive or energetic or fresh throughout the day. Like I always felt lazy and just lying on the bed scrolling through Instagram or YouTube. So that's what happens. Believe it or not, waking up early actually helps you. It makes you feel energetic throughout the day. It makes you feel fresh. So don't do sleep one day at 10, then next day 11, one day 12. Have a consistent sleep schedule. Like if you sleep at 11 today, make sure you sleep every day at 11, and if you wake up at 6:30, make sure you every day wake up at 6:30. Now if you are like me, I scroll through Instagram, I scroll through YouTube, and sometimes I forget the time doing that, or if I'm doing some work I forget the time doing that. So you can always put a reminder to a reminder to sleep at 11 or sleep at 10 or sleep at. So the second point is to not use screens or phone after waking up for at least 10 minutes. So I know a lot of people, after the alarm beeps, they turn it off and then they scroll through Instagram, scroll through YouTube, and scroll through Twitter. And that's not gonna work. If you are supposed to wake up at 6:30, you will scroll and forget the time and wake up at 6:45. Get out of the bed at 6:45 or 7, and time just passes by when you use your phone. That actually happens. That happens with me. And I've stopped doing that. I don't use phone for an hour after waking up. I wake up at 6:30. I start using my phone after 7:30, or I start using at 8. My classes starts at 8. I start using phone by 8. So don't do that. That's not gonna help you. So after getting up, what I suggest is to go to some place where there is fresh air. Go by window, look outside. Go to some place where there is a lot of sunlight. You will feel fresh. Or if you don't want to do that, go to your washroom and freshen up, and after coming back you can use your phone. Nobody's stopping you. So this is going to make you feel fresh, and your time will not go in vain. Your time will not get wasted. So the third point is to exercise. Now if you don't have time, you don't have to do those heavy workouts or running or jogging, going out. We cannot go out during these times because of COVID. So you can do some exercises, for example, neck rotations, arm rotations, knee rotations, wrist rotations. All these things are going to help you to just feel fresh. I'm not telling you this will help you lose weight or something like that, but this will help you feel fresh. I do exercise for half an hour every day when my classes are going on. I wake up at 6:30 and do exercise. That helps me feel fresh. I feel fresh throughout the day. I feel active. I feel like doing things. And you will also feel, I'm just telling you to do this for a 5-minute exercise. I don't think these things just neck rotations and all will take more than 5 minutes of doing it. And also this will help you because what I feel is I feel neck pains and arm pains because of constantly looking at screens and sitting in a certain position. My neck starts paining, my hand starts paining after writing or constantly typing or something. So this helps me, the pain doesn't go away, but it does help me a lot. So that's gonna help you guys too. So the fourth point is to stay hydrated. Now, water not only, makes you feel hydrated, but it also makes you feel fresh. Water affects your brain. Dehydration will affect your brain functioning. So drink water. Drinking lots and lots of water will make you feel fresh and productive, and you will automatically feel active. These things, these small things you can do throughout your day, and this will actually help. You don't have to do like huge stuff, go out, run, jog. Of course, do that after this pandemic gets over, but you don't have to do every single thing. You just have to do those small things that will make you feel fresh and productive. When you feel fresh, you automatically feel like doing things. So water is another very important thing which will help you to stay productive, which will help you to stay hydrated. It also affects your skin. It makes your skin glow. It helps your brain functioning. Water is a very important thing. So stay hydrated. I always have a bottle of water around me, and I try to finish that entire bottle throughout the day. Sometimes I don't, but I usually try to finish that entire bottle. So yeah, drink water. That's also very important. So the fifth point is to go away from the screens, like take a 5-minute break. So during this 5-minute break, what you can do is you can go outside, to your balcony, terrace, window, look out, make your eyes see. Like, look at those trees, look at, the children playing down or anything. Just look outside. Give your eyes break from screens. Your eyes are constantly, doing some online classes or online work or work from home. Doing these things, it affects your eyes. Like, it really does. Go out, look outside. Give your eyes a 5-minute break. There is nothing wrong in taking a 5-minute break. So the fifth point basically is to look everywhere around you. There is so many things to look outside. There is like so many things, and if you cannot do that, go read a book. Go read some books, or if you are a person who likes to read like mystery books, do read that. Do that. If you are someone who likes to read comic books, do that. Give your eyes a break from screens in any possible way. Just give your eyes a break from screen. The sixth point is to write down daily goals. Now, by this I mean to write down every single thing that you have to do throughout the day. Like, for example, you have to learn a chapter, you have to read a book, you have to do editing, you have to make some videos, or you have to write some notes, learn some chapter, or anything that is like you have to do throughout the day. Don't keep it in your brain. You are gonna forget it. Write it down anywhere, a piece of paper, or in a random book, or in your notes app. If you have it in your phone, write it down. You will forget it. So look at it and cut down things if you have done like doing it. So the seventh point is to eat healthy. Now, I know a lot of people always crave for chips and anything which is unhealthy. I cannot think of anything else right now. So don't do that, because that's not going to help you. Eating healthy helps your body a lot, your internal body. It helps a lot. So always eat healthy. Don't if you are hungry, just don't go and grab a packet of chips. Don't do that. If you are hungry, you can have some nuts, have some almonds, cashew nuts, or anything. You can have fresh juice. You can cut fruits, eat it, or just eat anything that is healthy. Don't eat chips. Like, if you are craving for chips, fine, go have one, but don't have it every time you are hungry. You don't have to do that. You can just go have some nuts, almonds, cashew nuts, kuch bhi. You can have anything which comes in the category of healthy food. So that's gonna help you stay fresh, and of course fruits and vegetables help you every time. So that's gonna help you. Yeah, so let's get into the next. So the next point is to keep your workspace clean. Now, for example, if you are doing your work on a table, there is some pens and sketch pens. Other side there is some random books. Other side there is some random story books, some comic books, some, if you are a girl, if you have some makeup products, you have that on your table. Don't put that like that. Put everything where it is supposed to be. You will get distracted eventually by seeing those things, and you will start doing it or whatever there is on your table. You will get distracted. So better take it from there. Just put it where it is supposed to be. And if your workspace is clean, you will like doing it. You will like doing your work. So keep your workspace. So the next point is the ninth point is to listen to podcasts and his songs. So this will help you to stay away from screens. You don't, every time you grab some food, you don't have to turn on your TV and watch any show. Yeah, watch shows, but not after you have already used screen for a long period of time. If you want to enjoy your food by listening something, listen to podcasts. Listen to some motivational podcast or some fun podcast. You can always do that. And if you don't like listening to podcasts, you can listen songs. I think everybody loves listening to songs. Usually I love listening to songs. I listen to songs all the time. I just take my phone, put on earphones and listen to songs. So the 10th and the final point is to meditate. Meditate helps you to calm down. It gives calmness around you, like it actually does. So yeah, meditation is very important. It will make you feel calm. If you have anxiety or stress about anything, you can always meditate. That actually helps you. So that's another thing, and that's the last point. So yeah, that was it for the video. These are all just 10 simple easy ways to stay productive. So that was it for the video, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends, family, every single person. Just share this video. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and follow me on Instagram. I'll link it down below. I'm starting to be active on my Instagram, so do that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and comment about the video if you already do any of these things, or any more things which you know about. You can always put it down in the comments, and I always read the comments. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and until I upload my next video, bye.